For my IS-350 current event report, I chose to do my topic on Neuralace, building a better brain. What is Neuralace? You're probably already familiar with it if you've seen the movie The Matrix. Characters in that movie were able to master his abilities like Kung Fu in a mere seconds. They would do this by downloading the data directly into their brain via a brain-computer interface. Neuralace is a brain-computer interface. Neuralace was created by Elon Musk. He's an American business entrepreneur, investor, and engineer, attempting to not only build a closer relationship between mankind and computers, he wants to completely remove the gap and bridge a connection between humans and computers. Elon Musk's ultimate goal is to bring humanity up to a higher level of cognitive reasoning, or else he believes we will ultimately be left inferior compared to AI that is being developed today, and mankind will be reduced to a mere house cat on an intellectual level when compared to AI. How will Neuralace work, you may ask? Well, Elon Musk has developed a simple technique. He wants to inject a mesh-like substance into the skull that forms around the brain and uses a system of electrodes to read and send signals to the brain in order to upload and download data. This procedure has already been performed on lab mice, and after autopsies, scientists found that there were little to no side effects from the mesh injection. Doing this will essentially transform mankind into a cyborg because it will streamline our connection between our brains and computers. A primary intended consequence beneficial of Neuralace is that it can help people with brain disorders such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and dementia. These diseases are neurological health problems that could be undone or even prevented in the first place. Another secondary intended consequence is that people could wear specialized prosthetics that help them with their jobs. Construction workers could have prosthetics where they have built-in tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, hammers built directly into their arms. Doctors could have surgical instruments wired directly into them, enabling them to be more precise when performing surgery. And a soldier could have an assortment of weapons and survival items built directly into him, making them a better soldier. And lastly, an intended primary consequence is much like Neo from the Matrix. You can learn information very quickly and rapidly. You can learn to fly a plane, paint a picture, or build a home simply by clicking a button now. An unintended secondary effect is that terrorists and criminals can equip even more dangerous and efficient weapons that are virtually hidden from the human eye. They could do this by hiding weapons within their prosthetics that no one would be able to see. Another secondary unintended consequence will be that we would be losing valuable social experiences that we have in our day-to-day lives. We would no longer be required to go to school, since we would be able to download everything from kindergarten to college within a matter of minutes. So all those valuable social experiences that we had in the classrooms would no longer exist. And another very important secondary unintended consequence of combining man and machine may be that that could be the catalyst of accomplishing the singularity, which is a super intelligent artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence would result in an enormous boom of technological growth that is very rapid. An important ethical issue that goes along with Neuralace is who will have the privilege of getting a Neuralace surgery. Surely a surgery like this is going to be costly. So when it first comes out, is it only going to be available to the rich? Are the rich not only going to be able to get richer, but now smarter as well? And now there will be a huge gap between the rich and the average man? Why would a technology that is so helpful to everyone not be available to everyone freely? Another important ethical issue is the invasion of our privacy. Already today we're having trouble with technology and invasions of privacy when it comes along, when you talk about Facebook and cell phones. So what's to stop the government to look into every detail of your private life when your brain is actually hooked up to a computer that could be accessed by anyone potentially? Besides data from your brain being downloaded, there's also ethical issues surrounding the idea of uploading information to your brain. You could wake up with false memories or programmed to perform a task like assassination. Your personality could be altered. Or for example, a soldier's moral judgment could be changed so they would perform a task they otherwise wouldn't do.